Alright guys, this is your boy Emmanuel Tomte. I'm back again with a new video. So today I just want to show you something real quick. First of all, I want to let you know that I'm not a guru, but what I want to show you today is how to actually make money online. Because if you go on YouTube, check how to make money online, you will see a lot of videos of people showing you how to make money online, doing things that are not really relevant, taking surveys. And then I promise you that if you follow the tutorials, at the end of the tutorial you'll see that you won't be able to make the money you want to make, and you find yourself more lost than you were before looking for those videos. I've gone through this experience because I used to look for videos online about how to make money online, easy way to make money online, taking surveys, all these kind of things. But everybody knows the purpose of this kind of videos is just to have views on YouTube, because they don't really show you how to make money online. Why? Because they kind of like, maybe they are scared, or maybe they think that you might become a potential competitor, so they don't want you to know their secrets on how to make money online. And it's quite obvious. For example, if I know how to find gold, or maybe how to find something like a precious metal or something like that, why would I tell you? But that's what those big YouTubers do to you. Okay, they have the secret on how to make money online, but they sell another thing to you, a complete different thing to you, just for them to make more money. So today I want to share 3 skills, okay, 3 skills that you can use to make money online. All right, so the number 1 skill is my skill, because I can't talk about any other skill if I don't emphasize on that skill, which is trading. So trading is just the buying and selling of assets. Okay, it can be cryptocurrency, it can be indices, it can be currency, it can be anything. Okay, it can be metals, it can be commodities and all of that. So trading is very good, and if you know how to trade, you can multiply your money. Okay, you can take $500 to $1,000, you can take $1,000 to $2,000, and as long as you can trade, you can still make money until you get old. You will retire early. You can do whatever you want, because like the money you are going to make from your job, you can put it in a trading account, multiply the money, just because you know how to trade. Okay, so trading is one of the best skills nowadays. If you know how to trade, man, you can make a lot of money, and it's a very lucrative skill that you need to know about. So if you want to trade, there are lots of ways to start as a beginner. You can learn from baby pips. You can also go online and just type on YouTube and just type how to start learning forex. So you see a lot of videos on YouTube about forex trading. But if you go on YouTube, baby pips, what you learn there is the basics of forex. You learn the keywords of forex. But in order for you to get a strategy, a trading strategy, you need to pay a course or get a mentor. That one will cost you money. That's why I'm telling you the best skills that you can use to make money online. So you can learn these skills from today, and then don't rush. Just be patient until one day, if you have money, you can go for a mentor and then start making money online trading. That's what I'm doing right now, and I'm still in the process. I'm a 2 years developing trader, and I'm enjoying the journey so far. So I advise you to think about it. And then the second skill that I think is very important for you to know about is what they call sales. Sales is very important. All right, on YouTube, all you see is sales. All these people that are making videos on YouTube about how to make money online, just go and check the description of the videos. You see a lot of links, ads, products, affiliate links and all of that. They are gathering audience, and that audience, they are going to use it to get rewards from other websites. Okay, that's what they call their reach. So they are going to use that audience to get money from other websites with their affiliate marketing links. So sale is very important nowadays. Even in the forex trading industry, people sell courses. Okay, people sell things anyhow. People sell their signals, people sell their courses, people sell themselves. Like what I mean selling themselves, I mean like promoting their products through their lifestyle. Do you know what I'm saying? So it's very important for you to know how to sell, because sale is the core of everything nowadays. So you have to know how to sell things. Okay, and one other thing I want to mention about sale is e-commerce. When I'm saying e-commerce, I'm referring to dropshipping. Dropshipping makes a lot of money to people. You can just go online on YouTube and type dropshipping, and you will see a lot of millionaires with their lifestyle in Dubai, dropshippers and all of that. So this is just a way of you knowing how big dropshipping can be. So if you start dropshipping, you can like pay some money for Shopify to open a Shopify account, You can also pay some money to do some other things like get a course or maybe learn, because education is very important in business. If you want to start a business, you need to train yourself, you need to invest in yourself first before you start doing the business itself. So that's why I prioritize with education. Even nowadays, I'm still putting money into education, buying courses about forex trading and all of that. So you need to educate yourself and you need to train yourself before you get that money you want. So sale is a very good skill. Okay, you can do drop shipping, you can do e-commerce. It's not only drop shipping people do, you can do e-commerce. You can help companies to like get clients, increase their reach, and social media, TikTok advertisements, and all this type of things is very important for you. If you want to, like, you can look into it if you want to start sales. All right, the last skill that I would like you to start doing, maybe look into it, is just content creation. Content creation is just like YouTube. Okay, so YouTube is just making videos. All right, so you can start making videos, but before you start making videos, you have to have a prior experience that you can come and share on YouTube, because YouTube is a platform where people share their experiences and then they get views and then they get remunerated for that. So you need to have an experience. Maybe you have a job, you have something, you have a skill, you have something that you want to share to people, then you can come on YouTube and then share it with other people, then get views and get remunerated for it. So that's just how it is. So content creation is not only YouTube. You can also do content creation on TikTok, you can also do content creation on Instagram and other social medias. But TikTok and YouTube are the most trusted platforms that remunerate people for content creation. Like, if you want to know how to go about it, just go on YouTube and type how to make money online through TikTok, and take your time. Don't expect to make money like from next day after knowing about it, right? Take your time, don't rush, just be patient, and then like be dedicated to learn. Don't be dedicated to make money. Okay, that's what content creation is all about. And personally, I have so many skills. Okay, I know how to model things. Like, when I mean modeling, I'm talking about 3D animation. Okay, 3D animation, 3D modeling, and then I also do video editing, I do photo editing, and I also do illustration. Okay, I know how to draw and all of that. So if you want to know about that, you can scroll down, go down in my YouTube videos, and you'll see so many portfolios of my drawings and all of that, my art stuff. So that's quite it. So guys, it's very important for you to find a skill. In 2024 upwards, you need a skill to make money online, because it's not going to be like possible for you to be making money online taking surveys. Why? Because surveys restrict so many countries. Okay, I tried surveys and I see that in so many countries, like Nigeria is not among all those countries. Like, if you are trying to take user testing, you have so many obstacles to go through. You have to get a VPN, you have to do this, you have to do that before you get hired and all of that. And sometimes you don't even receive like many tests like that. You are just because you are in Nigeria or you are in Africa. So guys, it's kind of hard to take tests through surveys. If you want to go for an online tutoring platform, like maybe you want to teach someone online, you see that particular platform won't allow other African countries to be part of them. Why? Just because it's their rules. Okay, it's their rules and regulations, so you just have to abide by it. So why not just go and find a skill that you can use to sell to other people? So that's what I have to share with you guys today, because I haven't posted a video for a while now, so I wanted to post a video. I hope this video is very helpful to you, and I hope you make a good use out of it, and you can share it to anybody that is interested in making money online or growing their skill. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a nice comment down below in the comment section, turn on the bell notification, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye, ciao.